Welcome to Dab for Do. Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. Ganesh Chaturthi is fast approaching and we are busy in preparations. So I have come up with the idea of a flat and very easy to make Ganesha. If it is difficult for you all to get molding and making the Ganesha idols, this will be very helpful, I hope, in this COVID-19 period. So you can make it very easily with the items available at home. So firstly, I have taken a printout of the Ganesha image. You can take references from internet and cut it to the nearest possible way. Then take a flat polythene sheet and lay the clay on it. This is the terracotta clay and press it. You can use any clay which is available. You can use any kind of atta or air dry clay as well at home which is there, and roll it with the help of a rolling pin in between the sheets so that it will come very neat when you roll it within the sheets. Apply little water and oil and stick the printout paper which we have taken. Take any plate, then some scissors, knives or anything which is handily available to you, and with the help of the craft knife or any kind of knife, remove the excess apart from the paper which is stick on the clay, and then transfer it to the plate. If you use a brass plate, that will be easy for you for later also. Then slowly poke in the craft knife or any kind of knife and cut through the depth of the clay, like it should touch the plate. And always remember to clean the knife after every cut so that it will be very easy and the finish will be very neat. And remove all the excess apart from the image. Now for the center portion, just run through the edges. Because I have used the broad, it will be very easy for us. So this is my idea. If you want, you can just lay it like this and paint also. I am just taking off the black portion after cutting it. If you just run through with little water and brush, it will be very easy to cut. Don't go till the depth, just on top, so that it will cut little layer of the clay. And take off this black portion of the print which we have taken of the Ganesha. Slowly remove everything and just smooth the surface with the help of little water and oil. Now you can use any kind of coloring also, food colors you can use or anything. Here I am using sandalwood paste. You can use little bit of clay or acrylic color also you can use. I am using both the kumkum and the sandalwood paste, the chandan powder. And with the help of brush I am just filling it up the borders so that it will get highlighted once we take out the paper. Even cover the edges also. Now I am adding the kumkum for the tilak and brush off the excess if any. Now slowly peel off the white portion so that the clay will be embossed. So this will look like a clear clay Ganesha for us. So slowly take off all the paper neatly. I have just run through a needle so that the image will get highlighted. Now for the eyes I am using the Vibhut powder. You can use chalk powder or any kind of white acrylic color also if it is available. Then this is how when it is wet it looks. After drying it up, you can see that how beautifully it has got embossed. And I've drawn a little small mushik also on that. I hope you've enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe.